Jai Mataji children, we have completed chapter 6 of Social Studies, Forest and Wildlife explanation part. Hope you enjoyed and understood the explanation. Now we will do all the exercises. First, hard words. First word is precipitation. Now, what is the meaning of precipitation? The rainfall and snowfall that fall on the earth's surface is called precipitation. What is called precipitation? The rainfall and snowfall that fall on the earth's surface is called precipitation. Slopes means dalna, झुका हुआ. Ebony and mahogany are the trees which are found in evergreen forest. Deciduous is the name of the forest. Thorn is the name of the forest. Deforestation. Now, what is called deforestation? That people are cutting down trees in large numbers to make way for roads, canals, and cities. This is called deforestation. Once again, what is called deforestation? That people are cutting down trees in large numbers to make way for roads, canals, and cities. This is called deforestation. Now, the next word is extinction. Now, what is called extinction? That is finish हो जाना, विलुप्त हो जाना, समाप्त हो जाना. Next is sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries, the forest area set up by the government to protect wildlife, that is called sanctuaries. Next is biosphere, a large area of land which contains wildlife sanctuaries, national parks. Next is plateau. Next, essential, jaruri, extinctions, existence, that is called astitva. The one statement is there that the deforestation has led to the displacement or extinction of a large variety of birds and animals. So here we have used word extinction, that deforestation की वजह से large area of एनिमल्स या बर्ड्स का क्या हो जाता है, वो विलुप्त हो जाते हैं, समाप्त हो जाते हैं. एंड दिस वर्ड इज existence. Existence means कि trees gives us oxygen which is essential for our existence. Biodiversity, that is called vividta. Rosewood is the plant name which is rosewood is the tree's name which is found in evergreen forest. So now exercise A on the page number 191. Multiple choice questions. First, a large area of land covered with tree bushes is known as grassland, B forest, C desert. So right answer is deserts, कि जहाँ पर बहुत सारी सूखी झाड़ियाँ होती है, that is called desert. The amount of rain, snow, hail, etc. falling on the earth's surface is known as first condensation, evaporation, and the C precipitation. So here the right answer is precipitation, the amount of rain, snowfall, hail, etc. falling on the earth's surface. The forests that remain green throughout the year are known as first thorn forest, B evergreen forest, or C deciduous forest. So the forests remain green throughout the year. पूरे ईयर कौन से टाइप का फॉरेस्ट ग्रीन ही रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड यस बी एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. Fourth, the forest found in deltas on the rivers are called. डेल्टा रिवर पर जो फॉरेस्ट पाए जाते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड ए tidal forest, evergreen forest, and thorn forest. So evergreen forests are throughout the remain green. Thorn forest situated in dry part of mainly Rajasthan and dry part of Maharashtra. And the A right answer is tidal forest. The tidal forest found in the delta of the rivers are called tidal forest. Fifth is Kaziranga National Park is in the state of A. Madhya Pradesh, B. West Bengal, and C. Assam. So Kaziranga National Park is in the Assam, situated in Assam. C. Now exercise B. Fill in the blanks. First, forest help in death. Forest help in precipitation. What is the meaning of precipitation? The rainfall and snowfall that fall on the earth's surface. So rainfall and snowfall लाने के लिए forest help us. Thorny forests are found in Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Thorny forests are found in Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Third, deciduous forests are known as monsoon forests. Which forests are known as monsoon forests? That answer is deciduous forests are known as monsoon forest. Fourth, in mountain forest trees have which type of shape? Yes, needle shaped leaves. In mountain forest trees have needle shaped leaves. Fifth, the trees of evergreen forest are wood trees, hardwood trees. The trees of evergreen forest is hard, and that is why these type of woods useful for making furniture. Now exercise C. Here in A part there are some wildlife sanctuaries name given, and the B part these sanctuaries were situated. So let's find. First, Periyar is A. Kerala, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Assam, E. Uttarakhand. So right answer is A. Kerala. B. Manas. These all are wildlife sanctuaries. Manas. The right answer is D. Assam. Jim Corbett. The right answer is E. Uttarakhand. Kanha. The right answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. And Gir, we all know it is situated in Gujarat, Gir National Park. Now the fourth exercise D. Answer the following questions. How many wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves are there in India? So here you have to remember the numbers. So in India, wildlife sanctuaries are 531, national parks 103, and biosphere rivers is 18. Second, name the trees found in mountain forest. First is deodar, pine, spruce, and again pine. So these are the trees which are found in mountain forest. You can write here P instead of pine. You can write fir. Deodar, pine, spruce, and fir. Now the third question is, what is deforestation and what are the problems caused by it? So here first you have to give the definition of deforestation. So cutting of trees on large scale is called deforestation. What is the definition of deforestation? That cutting of trees on large scale is called deforestation. Now what are the problems caused by deforestation? होने की वजह से कौन कौन सी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है? That problem caused by deforestation. First, डिफॉरेस्टेशन causes soil erosion. उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ सॉइल वॉश्ड अवे, सो सॉइल इरोजन होता है. And the cutting down forests lead to displacement or death of large numbers of birds, animals, even human beings. So this is the second and main cause that the डिफॉरेस्टेशन होने की वजह से लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बर्ड्स एनिमल्स की डेथ हो जाती है या तो फिर वो डिप्लेसमेंट शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं. इट लीड्स to less rainfall and also reduces the level of oxygen in the air. Deforestation की वजह से क्या होता है, less rainfall and it reduce a level of oxygen in air. Now the fourth one, why do you think the government of India has set up wildlife sanctuaries? हमें क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी सेटअप करनी चाहिए और दे शुड टेक केयर ऑफ इट. द नेशनल पार्क्स एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज हैव बीन सेटअप बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया to protect the wild animals and their natural habitats. Now, what is called habitat? The region where living things lives and grow naturally is called its habitat. तो ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर बर्ड्स एनिमल्स एंड स्पाइसीज सेफ है, प्रोटेक्ट हो रहा है उसका और उनको नेचुरल हैबिटेट भी मिल रहा है जहाँ पर वो नेचुरली ग्रो हो सके. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज़ set up wildlife sanctuaries. Fifth one, write 4 uses of the mountain forest. Here I have given 2 uses, you can add 2 more. The uses of the mountain forest are: forests provide shelter to wild animals. First, that forests provide shelter to wild animals. They keep the environment cool and fresh. Here you can write that the wood of the mountain forest, the wood of the trees found in mountain forest being soft is used for building houses and making light plywoods. And you can add that the trees gives us oxygen which is essential for our existence. So here children, we have completed all the exercises. First learn the exercise, then write all the exercises in your EVS book in SS part. Don't forget to do first letter capital and full stop at the end of the sentence. Write it very nice and learn it. Okay children, if you have any doubt, confusion, then feel free and call me. Thank you.